Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, My Crypto Teacher. My name is Ida and I am your crypto teacher. Okay guys, it's here. I'm excited. Celer Network is on Coinbase. So I'm going to take a couple of minutes to give you all some important information and tell you why this is such good news for Celer Network and Coinbase. I think it's important that Coinbase is adopting and listing excellent projects, and so now they've listed Celer Network. And let me tell you why this is so important. We all know that we're in a bear market. The market is crappy. It is. People are afraid to invest. We know that cryptocurrency and digital assets are still new and early, and this asset class is still maturing. We got a long way to go. But this is how you know good projects, and this is not financial advice. Even in this bear market, Celer Network is being adopted and picked up by the largest exchanges. So I call Coinbase one of the three big three exchanges. You've got Binance.us, which is an arm of Binance. You've got Crypto.com and you've got Coinbase. And now Celer Network is listed on Coinbase. So let's take a look. We're going to look at Coinbase so you can see where it is. Take a look here. New on Coinbase. As of August 15th, you can now purchase Celer Network on Coinbase. And a couple good things about Coinbase: even though the transaction fees are expensive, Coinbase just signed a partnership deal with BlackRock. We know that BlackRock has between 10 and 12 trillion dollars of assets under management. So that's going to put Coinbase in a good position. And the other thing is, any project I believe that is listed on Coinbase is going to be a benefactor of the BlackRock partnership. So keep that in mind. Now, let's just take a quick look at Celer Network. It costs about 2 cents. Most people in the United States use Coinbase. Why? It is very intuitive and very, very, very easy to use, and it's easy to set up an account, okay? So if you go to Coinbase, they just give, and you click on Celer Network, they give you some information. I do want to share this. It says about Celer Network. Celer Network basically has two essential products. One is the layer 2 finance, and the other one is the C-Bridge layer 2. I talked about C-Bridge in another video, how there was an attempted attack, but because of the strong technology and team, the hackers were virtually unsuccessful. They were only able to infiltrate for a short period of time, and there was not much damage to that particular hack, and I think that was a win for Celer Network. And that just shows you about the project. Harmony One was hacked for over $100 million, and it really set them back as a project. So Celer Network, I told you I love the team, the tokenomics, and the technology. Just so you can know what their focuses are, the C-Bridge Layer 2 Finance helps to eliminate challenges that prevent DeFi from mass adoption. So the Layer 2 Finance is really going to help DeFi become increasingly more adopted once cryptocurrency and digital assets take off. So there you go there. And then the other thing is, C-Bridge is a multi-chain network that provides low cost and instant transfer of value across and within the Ethereum Layer 2 chains and the Ethereum main chain. So those are good things right there, okay? So yes, Celer Network is on Coinbase. One other thing I want to show you all, if you want to find out where one of your tokens is listed, if you go onto CoinGecko, and I'm going to type in Celer Network, right? When I go here, so you can see where Celer Network or any token is listed. If I scroll down, you see here, it'll have the Celer network markets. It has the exchanges that they're listed on. If I click on see all trading pairs, it's going to show me everywhere where Celer network is listed. And so here you see all the exchanges, and here you go. Coinbase exchange. If I click on Coinbase, it'll just show you here, and it shows you again the different pairs and the different information. So that's all I have. Celer network is continuing to do good things. This is good news. It's a solid rock project, great tokenomics, great technology, great team, and it's extremely affordable. This is not financial advice, but this is a project that I do believe is going to weather the storm and going to have mass adoption. One other thing, let's take a look at the fear and greed index. Yes, people are afraid to invest right now. I'm not. The fear index is at a 27. The lower the rating on this index, the more fear there is in the asset investment class of cryptocurrency. So it's a 27, and that's a little bit lower. It was 30 the other day, and I do watch this. This kind of helps me determine when I'm going to buy and when I'm going to sell. So a 27 sounds good to me. I've been accumulating Celer network. I'm going to buy some more today, probably again another couple of days. I have a big goal when it comes to my Celer network accumulation. So there you go. Celer network is on Coinbase. My name is Ida. I am your crypto teacher. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Sharing is caring. Also, for me, accumulate, 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 accumulate. Okay, until next time.